Hey friends, today in this video I will guide you to install Hyper-V virtualization technology on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. So as you most are aware about, Hyper-V is the Microsoft virtualization technology that help us to create the virtual machines on Windows operating systems. I'm also assuming that you have also checked the virtualization technology on your system's motherboard, and if your motherboard is not supported virtualization technology, then you cannot install the Hyper-V on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machines. So before proceeding, you have to cross-check these all details. Then you can install the Hyper-V virtualizations technology through the two methods. One is the PowerShell, or you can install it through the graphically. So we will start and we will install it through the PowerShell method. So what you need to do, you need to just open the PowerShell with run as administrator. So I am going to open the PowerShell with run as administrator and then click yes. And now we will install this Hyper-V through the PowerShell command, that is Enable-WindowsOptionalFeature and then online, and then you need to just type the feature name, and after that the feature name is Microsoft Hyper-V, and then type all. This will check the compatibility and all, then it will install within a minute. So let's see, do you want to restart the computer to complete this operation now? So if you type yes, so this will reboot the machines, and then once it will rebooted, then you can search the Hyper-V over here. Currently it's showing it is not installed on the machine, and it is just also recommending you to turn it on through the add remove programs. So currently I'm just going to click to enter the no, and then because I will just later reboot this machine, and then I will check the Hyper-V installation status. So I will type the Hyper-V. This will come as a Hyper-V feature over here, and if you want to install it through the graphical method, so what you need to do, you need to just type the appwiz.cpl, and then it will just redirect it to the control panel and add remove program features. So you have to just turn it on by clicking over here, and see, this is the Hyper-V inside the features. Because we have already executed the PowerShell, so this has enabled over here, but until and unless if you will not reboot this machine after executing this command or putting it on over here, it will not install, it will not show the Hyper-V features, so you cannot create the virtual machines. So because it is just requiring to reboot the machine, so I will reboot these machines later, and we'll see the Hyper-V management console will be visible, and then we can create the machines inside the Hyper-V management dashboard. So this is these are the two methods that you can follow to install the Hyper-V. Thank you for watching this video. In the later video, I will see how we can create the virtual machines on the Hyper-V in Windows 10 or Windows 11.